Today I am doing maintenance on a photovoltaic system's battery. You can see here this one has four large cells. First step is to turn off power from the house. Right now the house is connected, not completely off, but the house is connected to the power grid. The second one is to take off the plugs for each battery. In fact, I would consider taking all the plugs out. The fill level should be right around this level, so you can inspect the different batteries and see if they're lower. And each hole feels differently. So this one here in the back, you can tell that it's significantly lower. So that one will need to be filled up. And for that, we're going to be using distilled water. The second part of the maintenance, once you've filled all the plugs in the battery and plugged it all back together, would be to clear out the effervescence in the contacts. Effervescence is corrosion between different types of metals, and this will create a lot of resistance, which could reduce the amount of power that comes out of the batteries. So we're going to use for that just a clear soda, and that will clear those contacts. I just finished filling up the last plug, and now we get to put the cover on and twist it. These covers do have a couple of vent holes on the side, which you can see are for actually letting the gases escape, particularly hydrogen. Now we're going to clear out the contacts. I'm just open up this and let it pour right over the contacts. You can see that the effervescence there will clear out quite a bit. So the soda from the drink will actually take care of that. We don't need to remove everything, but a mild treatment will help the contacts do a better connection. And then, because we have sugar in the soda, we might want to just rinse everything off with a little bit more distilled water. Just finished pouring the soda over the contacts. You can see that the contacts are now significantly cleaner. Copper even looks a little shiny on that contact point. We're not going to apply that distilled water directly on the contact because we do not want to corrode it. Where we want to take the sugar out of would be on the surface of the battery, just like so. And then as a final step, don't forget to turn on the power to the house again from the batteries.